I bought 3 of the most viral hair tools on TikTok to see if the hype is real or just TikTok inflated. Starting out with the viral Unbrush detangling brush. Every video I see of people using this brush, they're oohing and eyeing, basically getting their giggity on. So let's see if it works just as well on my type 4 coily hair. Straight off the bat, this thing feels, truly honestly, this thing feels extremely flimsy. Like, it almost feels like it was 3D printed. It is so unbelievably thin. I mean, I have no doubt that it's probably gonna work well, but like the quality, this is the thinnest brush I think I have ever felt in my entire life. I could literally break this in 2 seconds. I do like that the bristles are nice and long, and I like that they don't have the little balls on the ends, but I do notice that the bristles are also pretty flimsy as well. So I don't know how that's gonna work with my type 4 coily hair, but we're gonna find out. Staying optimistic here. The bristles are exciting to me, the quality underwhelming. But let's bring it to the shower and see how it holds up. Good morning, guys. I'm getting ready for work. This year, I'm focusing on living a healthier lifestyle. A big part of that is just simplifying my life, which is why I'm thankful for my monthly Care of subscription to help me make better choices without having to like think too hard about them. So if you didn't know, Care of is the personalized subscription service that ships high quality supplements, vitamins, and powders to your door on a monthly basis based on your personalized health needs and goals. They create a curated set for you of research-backed products, and each packet that they deliver is personalized specifically for you at your optimal dose based on your own dietary needs, lifestyle, and health goals. You can track your progress and how you're feeling over time with the Care of app and adjust your routine as your needs change. It's quick and easy to get started. Just take Care of's personalized quiz, which will ask you questions about your current diet, health goals, and how you're feeling physically and mentally. Care of will then recommend to you the specific vitamins and supplements that'll fit into your personalized health goals and needs, and then they ship them to your door every month in these perfect little personalized travel packs. It's really nice that I can just grab literally one of the little tiny packs, throw it in my bag, and jet. I was feeling really low energy. I've been taking my Care of supplements for a while now. I'm feeling much less tired. I'm able to wake up quicker in the morning. The Care of supplements are thoughtfully sourced and research backed, and they're housed in plant-based and compostable packaging. So if you're someone like me who's looking to simplify your life in 2024, I invite you to take the Care of quiz today and find out which vitamins and supplements they recommend for your personal dietary, physical, and mental well-being. And click the link below. It will take you to takecareof.com. Using my code NATURAL85 will give you 50% off your first order. So that's takecareof.com. Click the link below for 50% off your first order. Learn a little bit about what Care of recommends for any ailments that you're seeking to fix, or if you just want to live a healthier lifestyle this year. And thank you so much to Care of for sponsoring today's video. Back to the review. Okay, so in the shower, I shampooed, and now I'm applying my favorite slippery conditioner, the Melanin Haircare Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. I'm gonna work in small to medium sections like always to give the Unbrush the fairest chance to succeed. But please know that I did have my Brush with the Best detangling brush close by, just in case I needed it to save the day. Okay, so I'm going right in like I see everyone else do in their videos, starting at the bottom and working up. I get stuck in the section. Okay, so that's not great, Unbrush, but let me be fair here. I usually have to finger detangle each section of hair prior to using combs and brushes, so let me try that first. My shed hair, and now take 2 on the Unbrush, starting at the bottom again and working up, and okay, all right, we're getting somewhere, all right. Okay, so it's not a miracle brush. You still need to finger detangle first, but it works. So taking my time while working from bottom to top gave me an extremely thorough detangle. So now I'm testing it against my favorite detangling brush to see how it compares. I finger detangle the entire section, first using the Unbrush, which, wow, made super quick work of detangling, and it easily slid from top of the section to bottom when done. Okay, and now my favorite brush, the Brush with the Best. It took a tiny bit longer to get through the ends, but again, it detangled from bottom to top very well. Now I'm gonna use my detangling brush to see if the Unbrush missed anything, and whoa, no, it did not. That is so smooth. Now I'm gonna grab the Unbrush to see if my detangling brush missed anything. And no, it seems all good for both brushes. So the verdict, it's good. The Unbrush is a great detangling brush. I feel like both of my detangling brushes worked beautifully and similarly. So I was prepared to recommend either brush as a great option when something terrifying happened. So when I was first filming, because of the filming process, my hair had a bit of time to dry out, but I have to show you what the Unbrush is able to do on soaking wet hair right in the shower. Check this out. So in the shower, adding tons of water, apply your favorite slippery conditioner, starting from bottom to top. Bruh. Look at this. This brush is annihilating those tangles. I am literally shook. Look at this. I have never been able to detangle my hair this easily, and I have never been able to detangle the entire section of hair in one brush stroke. I usually have to take one section and divide it up into small and medium sections. I am able to fit the entire section in one brush stroke. This brush is actually insane. This look of confusion on my face, completely authentic. This is 14 years of coily, tangled hair knowledge being completely reanalyzed all at once. I hopped out that shower as fast as I could. Did you guys see this brush? Did you see what this brush did? I'm trying to connect with the brush. When you love something, you just want to be close to it. Bruh, that was the most satisfying wash day I have ever had. And I've had many wash days. My hair has never been detangled so quickly and thoroughly in my entire natural hair history. I have never. You guys, I don't even know where to start. Oh my God. If you guys know my detangling routine, I always finger detangle first, then wide tooth comb, and then detangling brush. I have never been able to just go down a section with a detangling brush. Granted, I still had to finger detangle prior to using this, but I didn't have to use the wide tooth comb at all. And on top of it, working from bottom to top, I was able to literally brush through the entire section. And that was literally every section on my head while wet. I, for once in my entire 14-year natural hair journey, had that satisfying moment with this Unbrush. That was the most satisfying detangling session I've ever had. Wow. Wow. I am so impressed with this brush. This is my new favorite detangling brush, period. Like, this was the most satisfying and productive detangling session I feel like I've ever had. Wow. Like, wow, the hype is so real. I have the coiliest hair ever. It is not easy to do what this brush just did. The box said it has dual flex anti-static bristles. I literally thought that was marketing. I was like, how do you get anti-static in plastic? Like, how? But no. The roots, especially like back here that are usually so frizzy and hard to detangle, melted like butter. Like, for real, it's anti-static. Like, I can't figure out any other reason why it would have worked like that, because, like, you know, we've seen brushes with a similar spacing, a similar bristle length. This was good. Like, this was good. I recommend this. The hype is real, you guys. TikTok, you did not let me down on this. And I've used a lot of detangling brushes, guys. Please understand that I don't take this statement lightly when I say this is the best detangling brush that I have ever used on my natural hair. Unbrush, you did that. Yeah. I am so shocked. This was so satisfying. I'm so happy. I've never had that moment before, ever. I've always wanted to have that moment and I never had it, and I finally did. It was so satisfying. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that this video helped if you're thinking about getting the Unbrush or wondering, is it hype? Is this real? I'm here to tell you that no, the hype is real and you should invest and get this brush. It is very, very good. I hope that this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy wash days. Bye.